Now we have to make the graph between air voids and the binder content. The binder content value is written over here because I had already told you that we are going to start it from the 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 and 5%. Now here I would like to tell you what is the amount of air void of each of these content. Just I am going to tabulate the data. How I have calculated, because now I am just going to explain this data. There is no need to explain how I have calculated, but this data is available to me. 9.1%. Next, 7.6%. 5.9%. 4.4%. 3.4% and 2.4%. Now, here I would like to tell you that the data is written over here. Just you keep this thing in mind. As the binder content is increasing, the amount of air void is being reduced. If I draw the graph between these two quantities, let us see how the graph look like. It is 2, it is 2.5, it is 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5 and 5. This is the amount of PB going in this direction. And air voids going in this direction along y-axis. Now this value is taken as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. When these values are plotted over here along x-axis and along y-axis, now when the binder content is 2.5, air void is 9.1%, it means it's like this at this point. When binder content is 3.5, it is 7.6 at this point. At the 3.5, at this point. At the 4, it's 4.4. At 4.5, 3.4. And at the 5%, 2.4. When I join this graph, it look like this one. This is the graph between air void and the PP. Now the question arises, how will I select the binder content from over here? Answer is very simple. Because as per MS2, we have to select the median of the air void. Median of the air void means that as per my this specification requirement, technical data sheet requirement, the limit is 4 to 7. As per the technical specification requirement, that how much is the limit given over there. And the median value is 4 plus 7 divided by 2, it is equal to 5.5%. Clear it? Now, it means I am at this point. When I am at this point, I will have to move parallel to the x-axis, where it is going to touch this line. It has touched at this point. From this point, I will move downward to the x-axis, and it is going to intersect at this point. This point of intersection is going to give us the value of PB is equal to 3.63%. So here you can say that As per the technical specification limit, median is going to have the value of 5.5. From this 5.5, the amount of the binder is 3.63%. This is the amount of binder selected as per guideline given by MS2 or by the Asphalt Institute, and by keeping in limit described in the technical specification for the development of this fixed design, that my value comes out to be binder content is 3.63%. Now, this 3.63 is kept in our mind as our selected binder content for the time being. Now, we will try to understand that this binder content is acceptable for or not. Their acceptance will be evaluated when we will study the data of our other graphs. Thank you very much for seeing this.